keeps falling down against my window pane. I check my phone again for the 100th time today. Empty notifications, just apps and weather updates. I miss the way you text. Good morning, are you awake? My phone lights up this empty room, but it's never you, never you. I keep waiting for those 3 dots, but it's never you, never you. Yeah, yeah. Made 2 cups of tea, force of habit I can't break. Your favorite mugs, it's cold, while the rain makes patterns shake. I scroll through messages, remember how we used to be before the silence grew and you stopped replying to me. I wonder if you're somewhere thinking of messaging me, but your fingers hesitate like raindrops on my screen. Raindrops on my screen. My phone lights up this empty room, but it's never you, never you. Keep waiting for those 3 dots, but it's never you, never you. Just another update, just the rain saying goodbye. Saying goodbye. Every time the phone rings, I hold my breath waiting. Just one word from you is all I'm contemplating. Late at night, I'm awake, scrolling through old messages. Each one feels distant now, like fading frequencies. Won't you break this silence? Let me hear it one more time, like you used to say it when everything was fine. Your voice plays in my mind on endless repeat, but these memories ain't enough, they're just incomplete. The way you used to speak made everything real. Now static fills the space where your voice should be. Where your voice should be. I trade all these messages for just one call, just to hear those syllables. That's all. That's all. Won't you break this silence? Let me hear it one more time, like you used to say it when everything was fine. I'm still you waiting for the words to fall, just like they used